Hey yo, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Mason. Today we are unboxing and showing you the new Andis Gtx-Exo trimmers. And these are cordless. When you get them out the box, you know what I'm saying, there's 2 boxes and you get the clipper. They come in a nice blue bag. You get the Andis box with the charger in it, and then you get another box with the charging dock in it. I don't want to hold y'all up. This is really just a straightforward tutorial. I'm gonna let y'all hear the sounds of the clipper. I'm gonna let y'all hear how the crunch of the clipper. I'm gonna give y'all an honest review. Stay to the end to see my honest review. And yeah, they feel great, man. I'm gonna be honest, they're great trimmers. So let's get it. YouTube, man. I'm sorry I'm not recording this on my camera, but I just wanted to put out my honest review on these clippers, on these trimmers, and this Gtx-Exo, I think that's what they call it, or something like that. Honestly, I can say that they're good. They're straight. They're straight. I ain't gonna lie. This ain't gonna be no drawn out review. They're honestly, like, if I'm being completely honest, I give them an 8 out of 10. And I feel like that's only because I haven't mastered how to set the blade properly to get the best line that I want to get. But so far, they're 8 out of 10. The only thing I could say I don't like about them is that I could feel like if I'm debulking, like if I'm cutting off the hair with them, I feel like they wouldn't perform that well underneath a lot of hair. So they're not powerful to the point you can go through like a 3-month woof and take off all that bulk. They're not powerful to that point, but they are powerful to the point they can take like a month worth of hair off and stuff like that. But they're not as strong as the Babeless. But I feel like it's not too far from the regular TL liner. Like I do like the blade on there. I like the fact that they cover up right where the blade is. They cover up where we used to cut the skeletons. You know what I'm saying? And it'd be a gap and the whole clipper would be open from that perspective looking down. I like the fact that they did eliminate that, so no hair is now getting inside your clipper, other than other than through, you know, screws and like little open holes that the clipper may have. But the clipper feels good. It doesn't feel like it's gonna slip out my hand. They didn't die all day. When I got them, I never really fully charged them. I was faking. I don't really do that with clippers because I'm too excited to use them. But yeah, man, like, it was straight. It's a good clipper, man. Like, you know what I'm saying? They give you the charging dock. I don't even use the charging docks. I just use the cord. And they were good, man. I would give them an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. And I set them even out the box, they were straight. Even out the box, they were straight. But once I set them, they went to another level. And you know what I'm saying? When I set them again, I'm gonna set them again because I need them a little better. But when I set them again, it's over, bro. It's really over. But yeah, I recommend y'all get them. You know what I'm saying? Like that. Well, let me say this. They're $200, man. So it's up there in price. It's an expensive clipper. So do what you want. Make it make sense to you. If it doesn't make sense to you, don't get it. But if it does, then get it. But yeah, I recommend the clipper, man. I'll come out and say I like it. I like it. Luke Mason is saying he likes the clipper. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all check out this whole video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I got a lot of clips of me cutting hair with it, so hopefully that's good. And yeah, I'll talk to y'all. Peace.